Hi there, welcome back to day 9 of the 12 days of JavaScript. And today we have another an array issue, or I guess problem, where we want to write a function called zipper, which we've got here as the boilerplate code that accepts two arrays as an argument. The function should return a 2D array containing pairs of elements at the same indices. You can assume that the arrays have the same length. So in this example here, we're just logging zipper, and when we're calling it with two arrays, array 1 and array 2, as we've called them here, we've got 1, 2, 3 as an array of numbers, and then ABC as an array of strings, both the same. And then you can see here we're returning an outer array, and then inside there is nested arrays of 1a, 2b, and 3c, because obviously at the 0 index we've got 1 and a, so that's a single array. Then we've got 2 and b, and 3 and c, and so on. So yeah, that is the problem there. If you'd like to grab this code sort of as the, as I said, the sort of the problem set, you can get that from the GitHub repository below for day 9. Otherwise, continue watching on because I'll be going through this, but the solution is also in the GitHub repo as well, if you'd like to just grab that. But yeah, I will go through sort of my implementation of this now. So similar to yesterday, we want to create a new array, so I'll do let sort of zipped arr for zipped array, and just initialize that as an empty array, and we'll return that down here. So zipped arr, like so. So now for each of these, we basically want to do another for loop. So for, we'll do let I equal 0, whilst I is less than array1.length. So what we can do is, because we can assume the arrays have the same length, we don't need to find out which one is longer. We can just use array1. And then finally we'll do I++. And well, what do we want to do? So for each of these, we want to push the first element on the first iteration to the zipped array, but from both of the arrays. And then as we're going through, we're doing the same. So all we want to do actually here is do zipped arr.push, and because we're pushing sort of nested arrays, we actually have an array here that we're pushing, and then within there we want to add arr1 at position I, and then also as the second element within this nested array, it will be array 2 at position I. And then we're just returning zipped array. So if I run that, oh, and we've got an issue. Let's see what the error is. Zipper array is not defined. Sorry, that's zipped array. So let me just update that. There we go. Let's rerun that. And there we go, there's our output. So that's what we're expecting. We're expecting an outer array as shown here, and then inside there is 1a, 2b, and 3c. So that's how I've obviously sort of come up with a solution for this problem. Yeah, do let me know in the comments below if you've got a better solution or alternatives. But yeah, that was sort of quite a simple one, I guess, for today. But yeah, gets used to creating arrays as well within them, within other arrays. So this is nested. And yeah, seems quite quick. So cool, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.